What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. And pretty sure you guys didn't expect this. Expected video the day after I uploaded a video. Yeah, so I actually got off work today so I can install the carbon fiber side skirts on my car. I wasn't able to actually wrap the front splitter yet, but that doesn't matter because I haven't got back my bumper or front lip yet. So today, Andrew's actually gonna help me do it. Cause he begged me to just go off work. He begged me, he was on his knees. He was on his knees like, Thomas, please, please.
He's gonna come back to the scene right now. Are you gonna work still, Thomas?
Yeah, I work today. They asked me if I want to stay off, but I have nothing to do.
Stay. Thomas, please, just stay. Thomas, please, just stay. I'll help you with your car. Alright, come on, I'll help you.
Alright.
Yeah, let's go.
So I want to put out the time of the day to let you guys know. Thanks for all your support. Me and the boys really appreciate it.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Thank you guys so much. You guys are super awesome. Thank you for supporting Thomas and getting him to 50K. Dude.
Almost there, almost there.
Yeah, almost 50K, sorry, almost 50K. So hit that subscribe button, get him to 50K because he's been waiting a really long time to be monetized.
So I was also thinking, since 50K is a pretty big number, and I was thinking at the end of this video, I was thinking of doing a giveaway.
Okay.
So maybe we'll talk about this later at the end. But maybe top 3, like 3 people, or 3 people's gonna have a chance of winning something.
Hell yeah, for sure.
Maybe some merch.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe that merch right there. Maybe this merch right here. Maybe not that one. That's too expensive. So yeah, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Me and the boys really appreciate you guys a lot, and I promise I'll try to get this vlogging thing like a lot better because you know I'm still new and all. So I need to go to Home Depot and pick up some nuts and bolts. And Janber was nice enough to drive me, but he's using Randy's S13.
You guys want to see me whip it?
But good luck, bro. Good luck with us.
Hey, if I stall, that's a sock, right?
Good luck with that clutch, bro.
I got it. I drove it last time to work. Damn. I might stall actually. I might stall one side.
You're gonna stall, bro.
Hey, how do you?
You can't lock that.
It just moves?
There you go.
You think I'm a stall?
I think you're gonna stall right now,
Bang,
bro.
right now.
You're gonna stall right now.
I did it!
You almost stalled, bro. If you guys didn't know, Driver actually used to have a 240.
Sylvia, like this one too.
Exactly.
When Randy bought this car, I thought it was mine. I hit him up right away. Like, what the fuck, Randy? You bought my old car? That shit's wet, dude.
So I told Driver he is gonna stall at least like once or twice.
But I'm not gonna do it.
Watch. When the light turns green, watch them struggle.
I won't.
No, he's gonna stall right now, bro. He's already sweating, bro. He's already sweating.
I'm like tripping. I'm low-key tripping.
You low-key, like you're not confident, right?
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be green right now.
Oh,
yeah.
you got it.
Oh, you got it. Oh. Woo. So I just picked up like a 12-pack of these kind of nuts and bolts. Should be enough. Should be good enough to hold the side skirt. So Janber want me to drive the car home because he thinks I'm gonna stall.
Because I didn't stall coming here. He wanted me to stall so bad. I challenged him now.
I think I'm gonna stall, to be honest.
Hey, look it. You got an excuse though.
Yeah, I'm wearing sandals.
Alright.
Bro, I can't even turn the key, bro.
Oh.
Is it the small one? Is it this one?
No, it's that one. Alright, failed. Oh my, I think, yeah, he's gonna stop for sure, guys. He can't even start the car. Oh my god.
Are you sure, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, I got it.
Alright. Oh. Whoa, you remember you gotta press it.
Oh, yeah.
It's definitely gonna stall, guys. Pray. You got this, Thomas. I believe in you right now. Oh, stop hating. They don't understand the low life. Ooh, Thomas got it. Damn it, I thought he was gonna stall. He got it.
What kind of mirrors are these, fool?
It's like going up. It's like going up.
Alright, stop. I think you're on it. Car is too low. Gotta double layer it. Nah, I mean. Double.
Oh! What's up?
Why is no room?
The other one's short, but let's give it a try anyways.
Stop. Oh. No. It slipped. The other side's kind of on.
Should be enough, maybe. The car is finally on all 4 jack stands. Let's just get this thing started, Andrew. So I was gonna install it and just shove my hand down here, drill holes, and then screw it in, but there's no room back here. So I think I have to check out my side skirts again. I feel like the film is gonna be really bad if I try to uninstall it and reinstall it. Damn, look, son's camber, bruh.
The car's all dirty. Dude, this shit.
Damn. I can't believe I'm saying this, son, but it looks stupid. I was kidding.
What are those?
Damn. Where you been?
What's up, bro? Oh,
What's up?
what's up?
Where you been, huh?
This, man. Been working.
Damn, this is camber. I don't think you're allowed to even go on Week Fest.
Why not?
They're not liable. So we finished the first side, and it looks really good. What I did was I just drilled in the holes on the bottom, put some washers and nuts, and that's basically it. And this side we actually had to flex it in a little bit because my side skirts actually, they pull in a little bit because it's the style. But from here, looks kind of cool. So what we're gonna do is install this back on the car and see how it looks like. Damn, dude, it looks fucking sick. I think, Andrew, what do you think about it?
It looks fabulous.
Looks sick. I actually really like it a lot. Look, like, damn guys, look at this. Woo! Looks kind of cool. Bam, both sides are finally done. And Kevin just got here, so.
What's up?
What's up? Hey Kevin, what you think about the side skirts?
Been good, dude. I like it.
Yeah, it's not, well, it's really dark in here, so what I'm gonna do is actually gonna put on the wheels again, put it on the floor and roll it out and see how it looks in the sun.
And it helps them, makes the car look lower.
Yeah, like his car with those moving suspensions. Like how he's maxed on his 240.
Fuck you, shut up.
Yeah, we can't even see this. The sun already went down, so. But I'm pretty good high off the ground, like 2 fingers. 2 fingers all around. Yeah, I need to be careful where I'm driving now.
Until Week Fest.
Until Week Fest, and after Week Fest, I drive however the fuck I want. So yeah, I need to keep that in mind. I have to be careful with how I drive or where I drive now until the show. But after the show, I'll just, I don't know, just drive everywhere. I don't really care. So sorry I couldn't show you guys how the side skirts look after the install. The sun went down really quick, but as of right now, me and the boys are playing a quick game of Fortnite. Andrew's testing out his little PS4 camera.
Bam.
Man, look at little
We live.
cute ass Andrew over here.
Trying to get a video out for you guys. We gotta get a dub though.
So yeah, so Andrew's gonna film something really soon. So Andrew's gonna try to make a Fortnite video. So head over to his channel. I'm gonna put it right here.
Right here.
I think it's right here. Yeah, right here.
Stuff here, so, right?
Yeah, right there. But while they're sitting there, I'm playing over here by myself with a big ass TV. Alright, so I'm deciding to put a little gameplay clip of us playing because I did so good that game. I did so good.
I was trying to get a video for my YouTube, and we were just like what, 2 hours almost, just grinding, and then you have to watch it. This is what dude, Thomas is clutch, 7 kill.
And I got like 6 kills in a row that game on that last one.
Yeah, the last part.
Yeah.
Thomas about to go with the game, 1 kill. And
Yeah,
clutched
I
at them
only
5
have
kills.
1 kill, and I clutched an extra 6 kills at the end.
That shit was crazy.
You guys are about to see it right now. I hope you guys liked today's quick vlog. Hopefully the side skirts look real, cause
it is legit. What you mean?
Yeah, it's real.
It's a $800 side skirt.
Yeah. So if you guys need to buy some FRS or BRZ side skirts off of me, let me know. Carbon fiber.
Inspired me to do it.
400 bucks. 400 bucks.
7 back-to-back kills. Damn.
I think it was like 6 maybe.
Who are you? That was 7. I saw. I counted.
7?
I counted in my
Oh,
head.
7.
7 back-to-back, bro. Damn. Must be nice. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you do enjoy, because Thomas is a naturally funny ass boy. And hit that subscribe button because Thomas is almost at 50K now. So we need you guys' help to push him up to 50K, and head over to my channel to watch some of the videos too.
Yeah. Oh, and I told him I was thinking of doing a giveaway too.
Oh,
like
giveaway.
3 winners.
Dude, 3
so,
winners.
Son, alright, son, what should we do? I told him maybe I should give away some of your merch,
I'm down.
Christian's merch, and lemonade.
Down.
So those top 3 people,
Yep.
they get to choose.
Comment down below.
Choose what they want.
Ooh.
Choose what they want and what company.
Ooh.
That's good. This is a good deal.
It's a lifestyle.
Yeah, that's a good deal, right?
Yeah.
So if you guys
follow, they have to follow everyone.
All right, so
Every channel.
wait,
In the group.
Oh,
but I'm doing the giveaway when I hit 50 because I didn't hit it yet.
Oh, you didn't hit.
Yeah, but then that's the rules.
Yeah.
3 of them.
But go follow Thomas on Instagram right now. Go hit that subscribe button and then comment down below. Done.
Yeah.
Comment your Instagram
And then
YouTube.
There you go.
yeah.
There you
so
go.
at that time when I hit 50, which is probably like by this upload,
Yep.
I'm gonna go do a generator.
Ooh.
A comment generator. So comment
And comment done and leave something like funny, and then just to grab our attention.
Just comment your name, what car you drive, and what size you wear.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
And what brand you want.
And what brand you want.
Don't hurt feelings out here. Make sure it's different. Make sure it's different. Make sure it's different brands, guys.
Yeah.
Make sure it's just not all like it's a lifestyle or all of lucrative.
Yeah, don't be like like lemonade lucrative lifestyle.
Yeah. Yeah. But also comment down what size and what product you want. What size, what product, what car you drive, what's your name, what's Sonny's phone number? Because I'll leave it in the description.
See y'all next time.